Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jeyifous, and I'm a cellular and molecular neuroscientist in terms of my specialization. And my research focuses on understanding how neurons change during learning and memory. We're also interested in trying to characterize how drugs of abuse can alter neuronal function. And lastly, trying to understand some of the cellular pathology that underlies several neurological disorders. To study these questions, we use advanced cellular imaging or microscopy techniques to visualize structural and functional changes that are happening in neurons, which allows us to get a better understanding of how the brain adapts in both health and in disease. In terms of teaching, at DePaul, I've had the opportunity to teach a number of courses, including Introduction to Neuroscience, Research Methods, the Cellular Basis of Learning and Memory, and a seminar course called Conversations with Neuroscientists, which is a very fun course. Students get to engage with scientists from a wide range of neuroscience careers and research areas. It's been a lot of fun to teach. And outside of the lab and classroom, I'm a proud dad to twins. I'm also a photographer and maintain a bioarts practice that explores the intersection of neuroscience, biology, and visual art. I really enjoy trying to find creative ways to connect science with broader audiences, and so I'm always excited to share that passion with students and also the broader community. I look forward to meeting all of you and hope to see you in one of my courses or at one of the Neuro events. Welcome.